another man coming from the Congress party, because he sparked controversies for years now. And we are talking now about Digvijay Singh, who seems to be at another center of a political firestorm, where he now seems to have sparked this controversy by claiming that Hinduism is not even a religion. He says that Hindu is not a religion, India is a country, and it is written in the Constitution of India that we, the people of India, that is Bharat. So why don't we call Bharatvarsh rather, and why do we have to call it as a Hindu Rashtra? This is the question that is now being raised by Digvijay Singh. While he tried to cloak his remarks in the constitutional vocabulary, the BJP, however, is not buying it. First up, listen into what he said, and we'll show you how the BJP has now countered Digvijay Singh.
हिंदू जो है वो कोई धर्म नहीं है, भारत राष्ट्र है और ये हमारे भारतीय संविधान में है। वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज भारत। तो भारतवर्ष क्यों नहीं कहते हो, उसको हिंदू राष्ट्र क्यों कहते हैं?
Now, as far as the BJP is concerned, launching a blistering counter-offensive, calling such comments by the Congress party as calculated war on Hindu religion for the sake of vote bank.
Hindu ka apman is Congress's only pehchan. Once again, Digvijay Singh has insulted Hindu Astha. He has said Hindu is not a religion. This is the mindset of Congress. They say Hindu terror. They say Hindutva is ISIS, Boko Haram. They say Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha is Naach Gana. They say Ramji is mythical, Kalpanik hai. They wanted to break Ram Setu. They say Arjun was taught jihad by Krishna ji. They insult Hindu Astha for the vote bank. And not just them. Their ally partner says Sanatan should be eradicated. Sanatan is a bimari. Somebody says Jai Shri Ram should not be said. So they are a Hindu-phobic alliance, Hindu-phobic party for the sake of Muslim vote.
वो तो आज तक इसको राष्ट्र ही नहीं मानते हैं। रही बात हिंदू राष्ट्र की या भारत राष्ट्र की, भारतवर्ष की, तो आप भारतवर्ष कहिए, बहुत अच्छा है। हिंदुत्व की भावना यहां पर समाहित हुई है। समंदर से लेकर हिमालय पर्वत तक यहां का जितना भी हमारा भौगोलिक तौर के ऊपर हम देखें, यहां पर जितने भी समुदाय हैं, जितने भी व्यक्ति हुए हैं, हजारों लाखों वर्षों के इतिहास में यह समाहित हुआ है। आप देश हित के मुद्दों के ऊपर बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, देश के विरोध में बात कर सकते हैं।
Well, vote bank politics or appeasement politics seems to be the charge coming in from the BJP side. We'll get you more back after a short break.